Well, folks, start. I don't
Can't
have to-
wait.
Just go in, dig in.
Dig in.
Yes.
Raita is a must with your biryani.
Yes. You have to have that and have the biryani.
Lie to my trainer and say, oh, I just ate normal food.
Darling, just put the sorry.
I think while eating your food, I need to put a do not disturb sign.
Amazing, auntie.
Huh?
Too good.
Let's turn over the aloo
Our
gosh.
mutton is good.
Yes, good, good.
My husband is back tomorrow, so I can take some for him.
When should we plan another shoot at home?
With you anytime.
I need to get some more food. I'll come in next time. I'll come to your kitchen at home also and learn, auntie.
The idea is when you cook
Yeah.
and you see and see
Yeah, you experiment.
and people enjoy eating, that's half the work done, you know.
Mine started like that only, just experimenting from YouTube, just seeing recipes. And one of my really close friends, Shilarna, she's also a chef. So she kind of would give me tips.
Really?
Call her and ask her, how do I do? Should I boil this or fry this? And da-da-da-da-da. So she gave me, I finally made khao which is I think one of the toughest, from the
that-
paste to everything.
That is quite tough, I know.
I love cow but
Yeah?
Very tasty.
I like to experiment with food when I travel, especially. You were traveling Australia recently, yeah? How was the food there?
It's an experience eating over there. Yeah? I mean, each meal for us was like a 7-course meal, you know.
Wow.
And there's this really nice restaurant. Did you go to Chin Chin?
No, I haven't been there.
It's a proper like Pan-Asian food. Too good. And the way they serve you also there, you know, they have menus and then they won't, they have this surprise kind of a menu thing where they'll tell you, this is it, and we will keep getting you dishes according
really?
to what we think you're going to like. So we have to first tell them that we like eating this and not this. And then they just, it's a different way of experience of eating food because usually we order off the menu and then we know ye aane wala hai, wo aane wala hai, theek hai.
Yeah, you don't
But
know
here
what's
you're
coming.
looking forward to, okay, now what next? And each meal was like,
But whenever you travel, you try the local cuisine, like in places, yeah?
that's a must. And me and Bharat love traveling, you know, any opportunity to work or travel for a holiday, we take it up, and food is a big part of our holidays.
What about your mother's house?
My mother,
They have typical South Indian?
in fact, just yesterday I had Besi Bela rice, and I enjoy my rasam rice every day. I remember on shooting sets, my dabba would come from home and it would consist mainly of tair sadam, which is dahi rice, or rasam rice. So, and we all grew up in a household filled with South Indian women. There were my grandmother, my grandaunt, everyone. We had cooks from South India who would stay in our house. My grandmom would eat on her banana leaf.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we
And what
grown
about
up.
your dad? Did he like South
Papa
Indian?
loves idli sambar, and Papa was one person I saw eating idli with dahi. I'm like, what is this? He's like, try it. It's damn
The
good.
idli, I mean, I like the idli, yeah.
Yeah.
My daughter, in fact, started eating biryani for the first time with auntie's food.
Really?
From the food that used to come for Eid. It's Farah used to send us biryani at home, and now her standards of biryani are so high that if you eat from outside or you call from anywhere, this is not that biryani.
That's very sweet, you know. But I guess each home has their own.
Yeah. And I think you did a great thing by coming out with the book, because for girls like us who are still kacha nimbus, it's really, the recipes are so well written that it's really easy to cook them, you know, like,
Yeah.
and it's some of them, you know, some of the Hindi words we don't know, but it's, the words are used in such a way of the ingredients that our cooks at home also use it, so.
You know what the specialty is? That my recipes usually have all the ingredients of those recipes are in every household. So
That's
you don't
true.
have to
That's
go
what
searching for it, you know?
That's what Manisha said. It's a very
Yeah.
easy to follow book because everything is like your normal ghar ka khana.
Yeah.
The ingredients are available at home.
Tell me, what are your memories of eating food at our house? When you used to come, at one time you were free, you used to come almost every day.
Yeah, we
Huh?
all would hang out
I
and
know.
just...
Your best of friends. Isha, my daughter-in-law, Mali, as you both grew up together.
Mali.
And Zayed and all mutual friends.
Satya,
No?
our trainer, yeah, and Gautam, Jackie. So it was like we had to, like we were this full gang together. And food was, my memory started, I think, with the biryani only. So it's till today, it's my biryani that's lasted being the favorite over there.
I feel good.
And also the way the table is laid now when there's
Laying a table is an art itself.
yeah, it's an art.
You got to make it very appetizing, and we have this huge table, so we really lay it out with the right crockery.
yeah.
What about your parents? Do you have any memories of how they like to eat, or if what do you do on the table with both of them, with Dharamji, and because one is a Punjabi and one is a total opposite of South India.
With us, he's pure vegetarian.
Oh, he is.
Even
so,
on holidays and everywhere,
so
he
mom
doesn't.
is very strict in that.
Yeah, he himself, you know, he knows Mama doesn't like it, so he doesn't eat non-veg in front of her.
How sweet.
On separately in another room, if his friends are there, then he'll go and eat there. I mean, as children, when we would all sit together on the table and eat, we would have to finish each and everything on the table if my dad was there. With my mom, it was okay. And
He was strict. You mean to say he was strict?
he would be like, pura khao. And, you know, we were always made to be frightened of Papa because they would bully us in our family. Like, if you don't do this, we'll tell Papa. If you don't do that. But actually, after growing up, I realized my father is a really soft, he's my teddy bear.
Just to keep you in control, maybe your mama and your aunts and
Yes,
all
they
this,
used to
okay,
do that.
tell you.
And our standard breakfast every day for Ahana and me would be idli sambar. Though I love it, but after a point, every day idli sambar got to us, and our grandmother would be sitting right opposite us for breakfast before going to school. And Ahana and me, and when she would turn or something, we started taking the idli, putting it under our plate, and
Pressing
just
it down.
pressing it like that, making it fully chapta. And by the time she's back, turned. Then we finished our breakfast, we are going. Then they caught us, and then, you know, they found
saw
the smashed idlis under the plate.
I guess every home has something of their own. No, that's nice. Anyway, I think now we have got to go, and there's going to be a answering machine round.
Answering.
Yes.
Wow, what's
which is
that?
It's going to be fun and frolic, you know, that's what I'd say. And then, of course, whoever wins that gets the hamper.
Come on,
I'm
double.
gonna try hard.